Chapter 9. Solids, Liquids and Gases. The substances and objects around us can be in solid, liquid or gaseous form. You have already learned that water exists in three forms. When it boils, it forms steam, gaseous form. When water is kept in a freezer, it turns into ice, solid form. Water itself is in liquid form. Let us read about the three states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Solids. When water is frozen, it becomes ice. Pieces of ice are hard and they have a fixed or definite shape. They keep the same shape. They cannot flow in the same way as water. Things such as a table, pen, pencil and bag have a fixed shape. Liquids. You must have often poured water into a bottle. The water flows into the bottle and quickly fills it. Water flows easily because it is a liquid. Liquids such as milk, oil and juice flow easily and take the shape of the container they are poured in. They have a fixed volume but do not have a fixed shape. Factopedia. All matter, whether solid, liquid or gas, are made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Gases. If we heat the water, it changes into water vapor or steam. Steam is the gas form of water. The sun heats the water in water bodies that exist on Earth. This water changes into water vapor and rises in the air. This is called evaporation. These water vapors mix with air. They are free to move around all over the space available to them. The gases have no definite volume, shape or size. Like liquids, gases can also flow, but they flow faster than liquids. Air is a mixture of gases. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen are the gases present in the air. We breathe in oxygen, which is an invisible gas. Boil water in a kettle and observe the steam coming out of the spout. Hold a metal plate in front of the spout. You will observe tiny droplets of water forming on the plate. The steam had actually cooled and changed back into water. This is called condensation. Matter has weight. All matter, whether solid, liquid or gas, has weight. 1. Take a piece of stone or any other solid material and weigh it. It has some weight. 2. Take an empty glass and note its weight. Now take another glass of same size and fill it with water. Note their weight. You will observe that glass filled with water weighs more. Take his shows that liquids have weight. 3. Take an empty balloon and a balloon filled with air. Note their weight. You will find that the balloon filled with air weighs more than the empty balloon. Take his shows that gases have weight. Matter occupies space. Activities given below will prove that solids, liquids and gases occupy space. Change of state. Water can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. Water freezes to form ice. Ice melts to form water. Water evaporates to form water vapor. Water vapor condenses to form water again. The three states, solid, liquid and gas, can change from one state to another. Factopedia. The process of changing a solid into liquid is called melting. The process of changing a liquid into a solid is called freezing. New words. 1. Evaporation. The change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. 2. Condensation. The change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. 3. Melting. The process of changing a solid into liquid is called melting. 4. Freezing. The process of changing a liquid into a solid is called freezing. A quick recall. The substances and objects around us can be in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. Solids have a definite shape, and they cannot flow. Liquids have a fixed volume, but they do not have a fixed shape. The gases have no definite volume, shape, or size. Matter has weight, and it occupies space. The change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation.